Hello guys, it's TonAi again. They came up with another announcement a few minutes ago and I'm going to show it to you. Then also, they also brought back the 1000 hash rate percent bonus, just like they did like 2 days back. So they brought it back again. This is it, 1000%. So this is going to last for just 24 hours, just like the previous one, because most people they didn't get to read through. So when the 1000 changed from 1000 to 160 hash rate the next day, some people were just complaining, but they didn't follow up the news. So these guys are back, and we might still check up the development. Let me show you what the news they had. Okay, this is what they had. TonAi Assistant Holders Reward and Burn Mint ends soon. Then another update. Migration coming soon. TonAi Assistant Mint would also come to an end right before migration. Holders of the NFT will be rewarded with TAI token for the next phase while we burn the NFTs. Hurry up now. TM TonAi Bot. 24 hours. 24 more hours to mint. Then lastly, this is the one I first gave to you guys. Another day to mine 1000 hash rate every 5 minutes for 24 hours. It's another bonus day. So these are the two announcements these guys have to give to you guys. So if you are still interested in mining, so please hurry up and join. I will drop a link for you guys. And also I also drop a video tutorial on how you can buy TonAi Assistant, and I will drop another video on how you can also partake in the current pre-sale ongoing for TonAi. So their soft caps, as like I said in my previous video, was 5,000 ton. That was their soft cap, and but there was no hard cap. You can see right now is 20,415 ton. That's what they've raised. They've raised so far. Oh man! Assuming there was an hard cap, I believe this fairlaunch or pre-sale would have come to an end, but it's just the soft cap that you can see here. There's nothing like hard cap, so it keeps going, and they say it's for 7 days. I believe they're in day 6 right now, so it's that they stop it themselves, or it keeps going. Let's say to the end. Meanwhile, everywhere is looking good right here because I'm looking at the initial market cap right now estimate. The estimate according to the figure here is 58,330 ton. So if you because I checked the market this morning, it just moved from 58,330 ton to 58,363 ton. When I checked on Ton Market this morning for coin market cap, I saw that Ton was priced at, or is currently at $2.04. So if you multiply this by 2, so we should be having over $100,000 market cap right before launch. So if you want to get him, here's an opportunity. Like I said, I will drop the videos for you under the details of these videos once you're watching it from YouTube, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. All right, so and do turn on the bell notification so that you can get more of my videos alerts whenever they come out. So I post about some legit cryptos, airdrops, legit 100% real and legit. All right, so you can follow me up. See you guys in my next video.